everyone, this is HS and you are watching HS Testing World. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today in this video I wanna show you how to create bestseller profile step by step on People Per Hour freelancing website. So let's get started. In order to create profile on People Per Hour, first you have to create your account on People Per Hour freelancing website. For this, click sign up link on freelancing website landing page and then select want to work as a freelancer. Now click sign up with email button. If you want to continue with the Facebook account, you may also do this, but here I am selecting email. On next screen, please provide your first name, last name, email and password and then click sign up button. Now your account has been created. I am not doing this right now because I have already account on People Per Hour, so I will log in with my username and password. Now move on next step. Now log in with your email and ID. From dashboard, please click profile image and then select profile option. From profile page, you may change your cover by clicking this button. Upload your profile image from here. You may upload any logo of yours, or you may also upload any professional picture of yours. It's up to you. From here you may edit or add about your experience. When you click this edit button, edit profile page will be displayed. You are not able to change your first name and last name. Now the first question on this page is displaying that do you represent any company? So if you represent any company, you may select yes, otherwise please select no. The next field is for the job title. So please enter the job title which is related with your niche. You may edit your cover image from here. Please remember that you have to select or update only the professional images here, which helps to represent your experience. Here you may edit your image. You may also upload your own image or your logo. Now it's time to select your hourly rate. In People Per Hour, the minimum rate is $10. I suggest you to select $10 in the starting, and when you start getting more and more orders, you may increase the hourly rate according to your choice. In About You section, please introduce yourself in a 1 to 2 lines. Remember to put the most important and relative skills first in your overview and lead skill. Don't write unnecessary things here. Select your profile skills from here. Select the languages and tools on which you have worked. Now select the language on which you have command and select the industry in which you have experienced. Now the very important part is to add your portfolio here. You may upload any document here which have you created your portfolio. You may also upload the screenshots of your portfolio here. There are many free websites on which you may create your portfolio. Please create a very good portfolio which shows your experience and your work skills. From here you may update any document in which you have created your portfolio. And from here you may give the link of your website. People Per Hour provide two types of jobs. One is remote and other one is on site. So you may select any of them from here. So I am creating this profile for the freelancer, so I am selecting here doing the remote work only. So it's up to you, and you may also add the location of your city and then simply click the done button. Now your profile has been updated. Now you have to search the job according to your niche and then apply on it. Or you may also create post offers according to your niche. This video is created on the demand of one viewer. So hope you like this video. Please share your comments in description below. Take care and goodbye.